Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yes, thank you so much, everybody, for supporting us and subscribing to our channel. Yes, we'll be uploading some wonderful stuff. It's like some fake pranks.
They must know fake.
So sorry.
We're going to be uploading a lot of stuff for you guys because we realize how much love you guys have for us. Please tell everybody to subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends, your neighbors, your enemies. Everybody needs to watch our channel because love lives here. This is what love is. And so in this channel, we're going to do all the wonderful things. Like we're going to take you guys with us on our travels.
Oh, wow.
On our day-to-day things that we do.
Yes.
And we're just going to give you some advice, some couple advice, so that you guys can be like us, because it's not easy for people to have long-term relationships. Like we've been together now for 11 days.
Yes, it's been amazing.
And it's very rare. It's very, very rare. And soon we're going to be doing our 2-week anniversary.
Yes. Hey.
We're going to do a video. We're going to make sure we take you guys along.
Yes.
And we're going to be doing a lot of things. We're going to take you to, we're going to do an apartment tour.
Yes.
Yeah, because we've been doing a lot of research about what YouTube couples do, and YouTubers travel a lot. So every 5 days we're going to be moving into a new apartment, and we're going to be taking you along and doing a new apartment tour.
Yes, for you to see what our lifestyle is and our love. Is like for each other,
because everybody's just interested in us, and we love you guys for loving us. And we have a special name for you guys. We are gonna call you the G&T gang. G for John and T for Thenjiwe.
No. John starts with J.
Starts with J.
Yes.
Isn't John like Jesus G?
No, it's J.
We're gonna have to go with G because we've already done everything. I've done the logos, I've designed everything. We've even designed the merch for you guys. You can buy a t-shirt, G&T gang, and don't forget to hashtag us and share our videos. Make sure everybody becomes part of the G&T gang.
Something, yes.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram,
Twitter.
I am Thenjiwe.
And I am Long John.
Long John. And Long John is long, but we're going to do a separate video about that one. Thank you so much, guys. We're going to be here every Wednesday at 12 p.m. South African time.